What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel. This is Avalon Outdoors. Got my cousin with me today. We're going fishing, gonna do a little bit of trolling, a little bit of deep dropping. You guys are coming with me. Do not go anywhere. Alrighty guys, we're in about 100 feet of water getting ready to start trolling. Our first bait down on the planer is gonna be a pink sea witch, little squid skirt. And we're gonna pair it with a bonita strip. Take our bonita strip, hook our first hook right through the top, just like that. We're gonna measure our second hook, put that right there. And there you have a beautiful bait. Oh my God, that's gonna get smoked. We're also gonna pull a top water bait and a deep diver. We're taking you guys with us. We'll see what happens. I have no idea what's gonna happen. We're just out here fishing, hoping for the best. And this crank, guys, we're tight. Every chance you get, crank. Woo! You cranking?
We're cranking now, baby.
Cranking, guys.
Cranking now.
Woo! Fish on, fish on.
Woo!
It's heavy. Keep going. You got him, bro. You got him.
This line go more out this way.
You want this way?
Oh, he jumped.
What was it?
I don't know. I didn't see it. I saw the splash.
Guys, we're tight. Fingers crossed he stays glued. Watch that line, cuzzo.
I got you. I can't even see right now the sun. Short?
Might be a big shark.
Short, bro.
Oh my God, that might be a big shark.
Oh my God.
Khalif is so tired.
Bro.
Keep cranking. Come on, let's get the planer to the tip.
Shoo!
It's a shark. It's a shark, guys. All right, guys. Khalif is tired. Gonna swap in for him. We thought it was a wahoo. Got the bite in 300 feet of water, but it looks like it's a shark. Popped.
Yeah,
it was a shark. All right, guys, we pulled that shark off right out the back. We thought it was a wahoo. We got that bite in 300 feet of water. Gosh, man, I was really hoping it was a wahoo, but it was just a shark. That's the first time I've ever had a shark eat the planer bait. We lost our bait, but we didn't lose our planer. It's all good. But I think we're gonna go do some deep dropping, and then we'll get back to trolling later. But now we're in 300 feet of water. As you guys can see, that's the bottom, and those are snappers. So we're gonna get down the electric. We're gonna do some deep dropping. I'm gonna try my best to film. My camera mount just broke, and we'll see what happens, guys. Eventful morning so far. I think we're gonna catch some fish. Let's see what happens. We have a 4-hook rig. We have a 4-pound lead, and we're setting this down to the bottom. Go ahead and toss that over. Oh yeah, get that on the bottom, bro. Yeah, I'm ready. If you think we're gonna get bit, guys, go ahead, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, fish on. Looks like a snapper or a porgy coming up. Got him coming right away, instant bite. There we go. Porgy, I knew it. Look at them, they fight hard, man. Well, this right here is a jolt head porgy. Beautiful fish right there. We got him coming, guys. We got him coming. Gonna quickly get this one right back down to the bottom. Hopefully we get another bite. I promise you're about to get whacked. Oh my God. There we go. That's another porgy. Gosh, I'm letting out line and I just feel like this.
He's going for it.
Yeah.
He is not making that bait.
It's another porgy, guys. We got him on. We got him on. What is that? Nice porgy. Oh my gosh, Porgy City. Just picking away at him. Absolutely beautiful fish right there. So funny, they fight so hard on the way up, but as soon as you hold them in your hand, they don't move at all. Look at that. All right, guys, gonna throw them in the box and just get back down there. We want some snappers. We don't know what's going on, but cheers. All right, guys, we're going over. Hand crank, go ahead. Going over. Oh my God, there's solid fish there.
Got some?
There we go.
Oh, I think I see him moving.
There we go, guys.
You got him.
Oh!
Ah.
400 feet.
Hey, man. Crank that thing, man. Crank her up. Crank her up.
Oh, fighting. Whew.
Bring her up. Bring her up. Bring her up.
Oh my God. Oh.
Bring her up. Bring her up. Bring her.
Woo. Oh.
That is the word.
Ooh. Guys, this is terrible. Woo.
Come on. Come on. Mono. Oh, there's the mono.
Oh.
You got a fish. You got a fish out there.
Oh. 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 We did it. Guys,
Nice.
we
for
did
you,
it.
bro.
We did it, hand crank.
Beautiful.
400 feet. Oh my God, I do not want to do that again. Woo. I have a lot of you ask, why do you use an electric reel? Why do you do that? That's cheating. That's no fun. That takes a sport out of it. Guys, that is not fun at all. I don't care what you say, hand cranking from 400 feet. We have a 4-pound lead on there, including the fish. That is exactly why we're using an electric reel, because boy, oh boy, that was not fun. There's nothing like some Sea-Doo deep dropping, guys. There's nothing like it. Nothing like it. Still got that fish on there. If I had to take a guess, if Leaf had to take a guess, I'm sure if you guys had to take a guess, we all guessed it's a porgy. We really came out here looking for vermilion snappers, but we're happy with whatever comes up. Oh my God, keep coming. Oh, we got one! We got one! Told you guys we came out here for the vermilion snappers. There you go. Beautiful fish right there. Orange reddish skin, the yellow accent on their dorsal fin. Awesome fish right there. These have to be 12 inches to keep. This one is 12 inches. We're gonna go ahead, throw them in the box. We got some snapper for dinner. Woo. Ready? Go. What is that? Big porgy. Oh.
Oh my
Wow. Those are the big vermies we're after.
Oh my God.
Those are them. All right, guys, we got on a pretty good drift here. Starting to get in those bigger vermilion snappers. Such a pretty fish right there. 300 feet of water, 4-pound lead, Bannex 1000, Sea-Doo Fish Pro, and that's the result right there. You. Put it down to the bottom a little more. Coming right over the spot. Yeah, man.
Oh.
I got him.
Did I get him?
Yeah! We got him. Come on, please still be there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. He's there, guys. He's there. Yeah. It's like he stopped it. Crank. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, he's there.
Bro, that's a little snowy. That's a snowy grouper. That's a little snowy. I knew this was gonna happen. Check out this tiny snowy grouper here, guys. We are in state waters, so this fish is legal to keep, and we did bring it up from 400 feet of water. He's all blown up. Unfortunately, this fish is not gonna be able to make it back down to the bottom. So we're gonna throw him in the box simply because if we throw him back, he'll turn into shark food. Look at this. Little pilcher down there. I'm gonna go ahead and run in a clip of what a big snowy grouper looks like. Me and Leaf have actually caught one together. Every snowy grouper that has came on the jet ski, I've been with Khalif. And as you guys can see, this fish isn't fighting, it's not moving. They come up from the deep, their barotrauma kills them. Look at that. This fish is just not gonna live, unfortunately. We're gonna go ahead and, honestly guys, I would not keep this fish. I would honestly release this fish 10 out of 10 times, but the fish is dead. It is legal to keep it where we are. We're gonna go ahead and throw him in the box. Unreal, man. We're hooked up, baby, we're hooked up. This is either a grouper or a solid tilefish. I don't see nothing yet. Oh, wow. There's a fish on there, boys. Grab that gaff from behind me, just to back me up in case. Nice yellow edge grouper. Nice yellow edge grouper. Nice yellow, oh, that's a nice snowy. Nice snowy, stick him. Right in the mouth, right in the mouth, right in the mouth. I'll go through.
Oh my God.
Here we go, baby. That's what we came out here for. There we go, guys. Nice snowy grouper, about 10-pound fish. This is what we're out here looking for, a nice bottom fish like this. You'll find these with the blue line tilefish, the yellow edge grouper. This is actually my first snowy ever. Pretty nice fish right there. They're called snowy grouper, as you guys can see, because of those white spots there. Such an awesome fish. All right, guys, we're back on the hand crank. I don't even know why I'm doing this. It's so painful, but I just want to do something different. Ow.
Yeah, he's on.
There we go.
Good cranking, baby.
There we go.
Good cranking.
Oh my.
Oh no.
All right, guys, we're back on the hand crank. I'm not sure what this is. Also don't know why I decided to do this again.
That's why we did it.
Oh, he's still there.
Oh yeah, let's go, baby.
Oh, porgy. Oh.
Big porgy.
Oh. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, that's enough hand cranking. There we go, guys. This thing looks tiny, I know, but hand cranking it from 400 feet is some work. Another porgy for the box. We've done a bit of deep dropping. Now we're gonna go troll on the way in. If we don't catch anything, I will see you guys in the kitchen. You. Alrighty guys, we got our fish all cleaned up. Now it's time to make some food. We have a beautiful piece of porgy there. We have 2 eggs. And we're gonna make something real simple. This is not my #1 choice. I always go with coconut oil. Unfortunately, we do not have coconut oil right now. So we're using a little bit of vegetable oil. It's gonna get about that much in there. We're gonna take our eggs. Gonna go ahead. Simple seasoning. We're just gonna go into some salt. I'm gonna go into a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just like that. Then we have our beautiful piece of porgy. Look at that. Gonna go ahead and lay that right in there. With our porgy, we're gonna do the same thing, real light on the seasoning. We're gonna go with some seasoning salt. We're gonna go in with some cayenne pepper. Gonna keep scrambling our eggs. When our fish needs to be flipped, we'll flip it. And then our breakfast will be done. Look at that. There we go. Here we go, guys. Out with one piece. There goes the other. Go ahead and flick that off. And there we have it, guys. Some egg with some porgy. Delicious. Gonna take some of our egg, some of our porgy, just like that. A lot of people think of eggs and fish as a weird combo. I think they go together pretty well. That cayenne pepper's kicking. So there you guys have it. Real simple, real easy. 10 out of 10 breakfast right here. Some fresh fish with some eggs. Cannot go wrong with that. If you like this video, guys, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you know when I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Boom.